are you going to Japan?
I'm going to Japan. I will take my swap. Yes.
Yeah. That's a great opportunity.
It is.
Uh,
Okay, come here, Adeline. I want you to come here. So nice. You guys. Isha. So cute. Right now, yes,
Hetty, Françoise, Margaret, they are doing online. And all of you do what you can, have fun. Right, few more seconds. Who train at home? Who train at home? Nobody.
No, I only dance to the dance that's people on YouTube.
Ah, okay. Still a bit of training. Okay, alright, so this class is a slow-paced class. We take it very easy, okay? So, that's what matters the most, that we have fun. Okay, let's start everyone. Let's get started. Okay, let's get started. Irene is on your way. You see Irene and Aileen, you switch personality. Something happened. I don't know what happened. Right? She was like, she's always too early. Then Aileen beat her, become the opposite. Very good. Very, very good. Alright, ladies, let's get started. So when we start, we say Yaurana. Okay? Yaurana. Let's go. Let's get started. Everybody hands on the chest. Go, Julie. The other side. What happened to you? And we say Yaurana. Eileen. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Yaurana. Very good. Let's go. Welcome back. Welcome back, ladies. It's been 5 long weeks. Yeah? Quite long, yeah? Yeah. I know. Okay? Oh, I did not plug it in. Wait. Teacher not plugging the. Okay, there you go. Alright, let's go, let's start. Everybody inhale. Exhale. Again, inhale. Exhale. Actually, you can drop under your nose now. So now, yeah. So now, inhale. Exhale. Very Scoot to the front, come back. Scoot to the front, underneath, good. Scoot to the front, watch your way. Scoot. 2 more. Well, all of you are big rest here. Good. Joey, push more. Very good. And inhale, walk. Walk, walk, walk. Very good. Point, point, point. Again. Point, point. Underhand. Point, point, point. Good. Underneath. 4 more. 4, 3, 2, 1. Down now. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. 4 more. 4. Go. 3. Go. 2. Go. 1. Arming round. Round. Make a circle. Yes, underneath. Touch your hands. Good. The other side. Reverse. Go. Come on, everyone. Ready? Combine. Tap. Tap. Remember. Tap. Hit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Roll. Roll. Keep going. 2, 3, 4. Very good. Everybody stay here. Okay, stay here. All right. Okay, all right. Come back. Stay. Walk. 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 Yes. Okay, let's go. Walk to the front. Back. And yes. Yes, I did. 2 more. Last one. Very good. Step. Okay, join please. Very easy. Go ahead, follow my time now. Right. 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 Again. Other hands. Ready? Go. Go. Down. Go. Go. Yes, Anthony, you're doing great. Down. Okay, remember the beginning? Tap. 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 Yes or no? Yes. To the front. 1, 2, 3. Rolling. Back. 1, 2, 3. Rolling. Repeat. Tap. 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 Tap to the front. Front to front. Back. Again. Last. You must remember. To the front. Front. Rolling. Back. Rolling to the carry on. Next up. Next step over here. Ready? Here you go. Right. Left. Right. Ready. Left. Go. Right. Left. Very good. Stay here. Shake. Yes. Not too much. Huh? Smaller. Iris. Smaller. Smaller. What is happening? Okay, you see, do you? Yes, Erin got it. Not after Erin. Okay, very easy this one, but your hand must be relaxed. Not relaxed cannot do it. Okay, up the hands, Erin, up the hands, up. Hi, where you're stopping up? Why are you stopping us? Why are you stopping? Why are you stopping? Ready? From the top. Tap. Come back. Tap. Can you extend your foot up? Your foot after you reach again. Tap. Tap. Roll it. Go. Tap. Go. To the Yes. But I think not too bad actually. Actually not too risky. Go round. Round. Make a circle. Roll. Big faster if you can. Okay, I didn't try this. Keep going, come on, rolling. Yes, good. Rolling. And make a roll. Yes. Keep going. Follow. Ready? Faster. Go. Hi, is it faster? Yes, Lily is doing faster. Joey, it's not faster. Everybody faster. Roll. And relax. Roll your shoulder. Give yourself a down. Very good. Alright, how is it? Are you feeling awake a bit? Yeah? Everybody inhale up. That's your basics, ladies. You did great for your first round in a long time. Everybody, one leg to the front, flex your toes. Yes, stretch real quick. Yeah, quick stretch and then water break. Switch. Okay, there you go. Getting hot, is it? Yeah, good. Right, it's good to sweat. Inhale. Hands together, round your back. Stay there. 3, 2, 1. And release. Inhale. Exhale. Last one. Inhale. Exhale. Face your front. L5. Yes. L5 to you. Go have a sip of water and come back in 10 seconds. Let's go. Drink water. Let's go. Good to move, all of you. Yeah, good to move. Yes. Otherwise, not feeling good, honestly. Alright, have a sip of water, everyone. We are going to learn a little dance. You can rest a bit, yeah? You rest a bit. Okay, take it easy. From the mountain to the ocean, from the river to the side. Yeah, she's at work. Should we start? It's okay, I sent her the video. Alright, everyone come back here. Okay, so today is a new dance. Yay! Okay, Aileen, I count on you. You are helping Adeline here. Aileen, say hi to Adeline. Yes, we are welcoming Adeline and all of you here. Okay? Alright, everyone, show me your hands. We are going to start with the hands. Can you move your fingers? Okay? From now on, your hands are alive. Everybody say, my hands are alive. It means what? You are aware of your hands. Your hands is not sleeping at some point. Yeah? They are alive. Everybody say, I shoot the power through my fingers. I shoot the power through my fingers. Okay? That's how you must dance. You must always dance with intention. Okay, so you show me. Alright, everybody say Tetama. Ma'ohi. Oh my goodness. Okay? Tetama Ma'ohi means the children of the land. Okay, Polynesian, but here we say Singapore. Alright? Okay, or any country you are from. Okay, we must cherish our roots. Alright, Adeline, everyone show me your hands. We count together. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hello? 5, 6, 7, 8. All of you lost the posture already, yeah? Okay, boom! 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. Boom! Your ear. Yes, huh? 1, 2, 3, 4. Don't go too low. Okay, just like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Boom! 5, 6, 7, 8. Are doing good. Now close your fingers. Close your fingers. Yes. Okay. Last time. Okay. Last few seconds. From here we go. Boom. Yes. Thanks, Joey. Joey is doing it. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. Your brain smoking already or not? Yes. It's good. Your brain needs to work. Otherwise it's dying, yeah? Your brain is the muscle as well. Okay, I can tell already the brain has been too resting for a long time. Okay, again, yeah? And we explain the lyrics later. First, you focus on the hands, okay? Everyone focus. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Boom! Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. Hey, where are you going? You're going to your left. Yes. Where is your left? There. Thank you. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes or no? Yes. Okay. From here, boom. Okay. I'm gonna go like this actually. Yeah. I'm gonna go like this. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Kiss. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, relax. Tell your body to relax. Adeline, relax, yeah? Can you, your shoulder, your posture must really is important. Okay, yeah? Alright, can we try the steps? Yes. Everybody? Yes? Yes? Yes or no? Yes. Alright, thank you. Hello. Okay, so everyone we face here. And we say we don't move. We don't move. We don't move. Very simple. 1, 2, 3, 4. We move the hips, yeah? 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. I read a lighter feet. What happened? Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Boom. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh. Adeline, good. You correct your hand. How do you look? Do you look nice or not? No answer. Okay, boom. Okay, stay here. Listen to the bird. Listen to the bird. They like to listen to the birds. How right. Other leg go. Yes. Okay. Erin, right foot forward. Okay. Kiss. Turn to your left. Turn to your left. Turn to your left. Turn to your left. Yes. Okay, take a deep breath. Take a deep breath. Okay, we do this 4 more times. How is it going? How is it going? Alright, this class is slow pace. Yeah, take a deep breath. Okay, ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, come on. 5, 6, 7, 8. Up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, stop. 5, 6, 7, 8. I didn't go actually. Yeah. Your hand face like this. Yes. Kiss. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Again. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. Up. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Everybody face here. Face here. Yes, Adeline. Kiss. Your hands, your hands, your hands. Your hands. Yes. Turn to the left. Where is your left? Yes. Okay. Show me again. Show me again. Good. Here. Show me again. Show me again. Hello. Wake up. Kiss. Turn to your left. Yes. Hands. Okay. Can we try with the music? Yes or no?
Yes.
Can we try with the music? Yes or no?
Yes.
All right. Hello. Okay. Good luck. Yeah. This is just the first 10 seconds. It's just the first 10 seconds. You can't. Irene, you can't. Oh, okay. All right. Okay. Let's go. Let's go. Wait for me. Wait for me. Is it loud enough? Yes, loud enough. All right. Ready? Follow. Hands to the front. Okay, listen to the tempo. You try to listen to the tempo. Stay. Stay. Hey! 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, right. 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, again, 5 times. Actually, too much waiting. Okay, wake up. Come on, let's go. Ready? Position. Wake up. Go. Yes, mid is counting. Good job. Can you say left? Can you say right? Can you say left? Can you say right? Can you say left? Okay. Yeah, alright. Everybody say left up. The other left. Right up. Ah. Okay, yes or no? Yes or no? Yes. Other leg like this. Okay, Diana. Show me. Relax. Right, left, up. Okay, left up, yes or no? Yes or no? Right up. You must say, all of you so silent, yeah? Again, ready, relax. Left up. Right up. Now do you look good when you do this? Okay, show me, Up. Left up. Right up. You must look like a bird, huh? Okay, birds are quite elegant. Kiss. Turn to your left. Turn. Look majestic, yes. Okay, again. Left up. Right up. Yes, Adeline, you got it. Kiss. Turning. Can you do the same with the music? Okay, alright. So now we walk. How many steps? 3. Hello, you must answer me. Right? Thank you. I'm not talking alone here, yeah? Okay, so ready? 1, 2, 3. Boom. Yes. Kiss. Turning. Okay, yes. Okay. Next step. The children. You are free like a bird. Are you free like a bird?
Yes.
Then you show me. You must be free like a bird because children are free. Yes or no? Only us, we are getting trapped in our mind, yeah? And then the older we get, the worse it gets. Unfortunate. But not for me. I promise myself I will keep the mind of a child, yeah? Okay, over here, I try. Okay, the children of the land. Show me. Yes, what happened to your hand? Go. Yes. Okay, everybody say the children. Can you be nice to the child? Okay. And then over here, even if you don't have children, I don't have children, you still be nice to children. Okay, alright, let's try the step. Okay, over here, we go 1, 2, 3, 4. What happened to your feet, all of you? Okay, only Adeline is allowed to do as free, okay? The rest you must. Okay, we turn. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. Okay, guys, ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Go hands. Yes, Adeline, higher your hand. Yes, okay. Can we start from the left up, right up, kiss? Irina, ready? 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3. Switch. Okay, ladies, your hand is not switching when you walk. You only walk like this. You don't switch when you walk. Yes, okay, ready, go. 1. Yes, underneath the other hand, underneath. Yes, okay, again. Show me. 1, Go.
Oh, right. What is next? Yeah.
Thank you. Don't do this, okay? Don't do this. It's not K-pop, okay? Boom! Show me, show me. Yes, thank you. Okay? You are a star. Aiming your left hand, yeah? Yes. Okay? You are a star. Do you believe it?
Right. Yes.
Yes or no? Do you believe you are a star?
Yes.
Yes? Joy?
Yes.
Okay, you must believe it. Otherwise your dance is looking a bit weird. Okay, alright? You must believe what the singer is saying. Okay, alright? You're not here. Are you feeling confident you are a star?
Yes.
Okay, thanks, Aileen. You are a star. Shining, 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 shining. How many shining, Aileen?
5.
Okay, you shine 4 times. Okay, ready? Show me. Here. The other left, the other right, the other right. Yes. Bend your hand, Adeline. Yeah, this one. You see? You see like this? The other side, the other side. No, the other side. Switch. Yes. Okay. Close your hands. Ha. Ha. This side. Ha. Some of you, the stars not big enough. Okay, ready? Ha! Why you here? Why some of you are here? Okay, hello! Mid-extend, ready? Open. Ready? Open. Ready? Open. Keep going. Right, left, go. Right, left. Okay, for me, you are 1, 2, 3, 4. Not like this. Yes. A star, 2, 3, 4. Okay, again now on your own. Ready? Everybody, show me. I have you. Ready? You are. Show me. Yes, you are a star. Okay, your hand here. Show me. Shining to the right, shining to the left, shining to the right, shining to the left. Okay, again, ready? You are a star. Shining to the right, shining to the left, shining to the right, shining to the left. Okay, again, last one. Ready? You are a star. Shining to the right, shining to the left, shining to the right, shining to the left. Okay, now we go to the front. We go to the front. Okay, don't go like this. It's not the Chinese Kung Fu. Okay, alright, some of you watch too much cartoon. Okay, so you are a star. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's go. Front, right foot. Front, 2, 3, 4. How many? 4. Yes, go back. 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't know, actually it's 8. Okay, show me. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, stay. 5, 6, 7, back. 1, 2, 3, stay. 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, last one. Show me. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, stay. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, stay. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Mean you must stay, otherwise you are going very far. Okay, can we start from the beginning? Okay, everybody inhale. yeah? Before the music. Everybody count. No silent people. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Adeline, follow me. Not follow them. Yeah, why you are misleading Adeline? Why you are misleading Adeline? Yeah.
What medalist stand in front here? They can see the teacher better.
Okay, ready? Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. Joey, your hand. Yes. Okay, open. Ready? Face this side. Face this side. Open like this. Yes, I ready. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. Kiss. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hands. Your hands are aligned. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes. Okay, 3 times with the music. Last time. Alright? Can you all chest up? Chest up. Chest up. Hi, focus. Yes. Okay, give me your best. It's the last 3 rounds. Okay, give me your very best. Alright, let's go. Position. Adeline, don't follow them. Just for today. Yeah. Adeline is lost. Yeah. Very rusty and dusty. Go. Last round, last round. Your best shot, your best shot, Go. Show me your best shot. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Oh, very good, very good. Yeah. the shoulder. Okay, not your arms. Go to the other side. Go. Switch. Hello? Yes. Switch is actually is good for your lower back. This side. Okay, for your spine. Yeah? Your spine is the foundation of your skeletal body. You better get good care of it. Switch, reverse your rolling. Joey, are you reversing your rolling? So cute, Joey. Your rolling very small, huh? Look at you. Switch. Right your shoulder. Go center. Roll. Relax. Release. And stop. And go up. Shoulder roll. Yes. Okay. Last few seconds here. Exhale. We are combining dance and relaxation and energy. Again. Yes. Very good. Everybody feet together. One leg to the front. Flex to the ceiling. Look at my toes. Yes. Keep your legs straight. Okay, underneath. Bend forward. You must feel the pull. Do you feel a nice relieving pull? It must be a relief, not a pain. Okay, come on. Today we take our time. Yeah, 3 more, 2 more. And we go lower if we can. Cannot, we stay there. Can we turn the front? Cannot, we stay there. And release. Okay? Go. One leg up. We are combining stretching and relaxation. Can you make sure it's straight? Lean to the front. Yes, I did. Okay, a stretch should be minimum how long? How long? Nobody else. Minimum 10 seconds. Best effective 1 minute. We only do 20 seconds. It's not a lot. Okay, keep going. Go down if you can. Cannot, you stay there. Actually, Joey, what flexible, I think you can shake your hips more. Yeah, some of you I see flexible. I think Joey, you can push more. Okay, relax. You feel the benefit of the stretch. Okay, that's right. Okay, one leg to the front. One leg to the front. Your knee is not going in front of your toes. Hello. Don't give me this. This is not good. This is good. Okay? Go a bit back with your back leg if you can. Relax your leg. Relax. Bend your back leg. Bend your back. Yes. And push your hip to the front. Yes. Do you feel a stretch? Do you feel a stretch? From here? Position your body. Okay, stay 10 seconds. Good. Yes. Do you feel a relief in? Because you have a back over there. Yeah? Stay. Actually, I really go down. Now open your head. You see, I'm not here. I'm here. Yeah, open more. Yes, okay. 4 more. 3 more. 2 more. And release. Switch side. Okay. Go. Feel up here. Where do you feel your stretch? Where do you feel your stretch? Should be here. Should be here, yeah? Okay, hip flexor, yeah? Yes. Yes, I believe you experiment your body. Okay, it's good to experiment. Here. How you feel here? together. Now I want you to hold for 20 seconds. You round your back. Really round like somebody is pulling you to the floor. Please stay, stay. Yes, good, Adeline. Now can you round on your back? Sorry. Yes, like this. Okay, last 10. Actually, you will feel a difference today. Last 5. Can you bring some of you to a different goal, yeah? Good. And release. How is this? Good, okay, last 4 stretches. Last 4. Arms straight, here. Push towards your body. Yes. Okay, stay there, don't move. Very good. Okay, I have one. Arms straight, and then you push. Yes. Alright, 4 more. How is it? How is it? Maybe you just keep your arms straight. Yes. 3 more. 2 more. And switch side. Actually, we only do a 7-minute stretching. It's not a lot. Yeah, it's not enough. Okay. Arms straight up. Don't do like this. It's not going to work. Yes. Yes, I do it. 4 more. Where do you feel your stretch, Iris? Don't tell me. Last 4. Last 2 and release. Inhale. Very good. Go to the side. Put your hand here. Yeah, stay. Your head is straight up. Don't go like this, yeah? Usually must be 1 minute best of the best, yeah? Stay there. Woo! Oh my god, my hips so tight. My obliques. Yeah? Woo! Slowly. Switch. Very good, ladies. Go everybody, you're doing great. Last 10, stay, don't move. Don't move, don't move. Very good. Last 2. Last 1 and release. Awesome. Everybody inhale up. Exhale down. Okay? 3 last stretches. Inhale up. Exhale down. Awesome. Last one. Inhale up. And exhale down. Very good. Feet together. Over here. Legs straight. We go down. Look forward. You see my back is flat. Yes or no? My back is flat. My back is flat. Stay. 4, 3, 2. Come on, get that stretch done. Hello. Okay, last 2. Last 1 and release. Now we go lower. If you can, even on the ground. Legs straight up. Let's go. Stretching is so important. We don't do this enough. Yeah. Stay a few more. And roll up. Roll up. Very good. Everybody go to a piece of wall. Go to a piece of wall. Go to a piece of wall. Yes. Hold yourself. And one leg up and stretch. Yes. I believe you do what you can, yeah? Okay. Okay. Yes, last one. Very good. Switch side. Down. Up. Down. Keep going. Up. Yes. Good one. Down. Up. 3 more. Down. Up. Last one. Down. Up. Very good. Keep next. Outside. Inside. Up. Yes. Keep next. Outside. Inside. Up. 3 more. Go. Ready. Down. Up. Keep going. 2 left. 2 left. Next one, please. Are you breathing? Very relax. Give me one last one. Yeah. And inhale. Exhale. Again, inhale. Exhale. Keep going. Inhale. Exhale. Last one. Inhale. And exhale. Very good, ladies. Stay here. Everybody give me one finger. Okay. Okay, put behind your ears. Put here behind your ears. Don't put in your eye. Don't put in your eye. Yes. Peppermint oil. Go get some oil if you want. Okay, put behind your ears. Put behind your ears. Okay, put behind your ears. Yeah, put one hand here. Yeah. Put behind your ears. Put one hand below. Put one hand below. Yes. Okay, put behind your ears. Alright? How is it? How is it? Are you feeling awake now? Yes, feeling awake. Alright, actually we have 4 more minutes. I don't know we do a bit of dancing or not. Yeah. Okay, everybody inhale.